In this video, I'm going to explain how I made my first 5,000 last month. So watch this video until the end. If you're new to the channel, my name is Gautam. I provide website services along with SaaS services with the help of a software called Go High Level. And if you want to do the same, go check out the referral link down in the description if you want to join my free community where we can help each other and make more money. Again, if you want to join our free community, check out the link in the description for 30-day free trial of this Go High Level software. So the 5,000 I made last month, I didn't make it in a conventional way. I didn't make all this money through the website or through the SaaS. It was like bits and pieces here and there. So most of the income I've generated is with the help of a website design, giving website service to local businesses and some of my networking and for friends and families. So usually I get clients through referrals and word of mouth and all the local businesses. So what happened is I got a referral for a $500 £500 website and two websites for another 500. So it's three 500 pounds website, which these two I got from cold walk-in. That's the first time I did. I think I made a video last week. I will pin it in the eye and link it down in the description. And one of the website client was asking for social media as well, so I signed them for £500 retainer for a month, for every month. And then I signed a client in a networking event for 2,500. So this is the biggest signing I ever did in my agency. I was doing like 1,500, 2,000 here and there. So 2,500 is the biggest one yet. And after this 2,500, he's thinking about retaining me for social media marketing as well. Probably I'll sign him for another 500. And another 500 I got is from my sales with my templates and snapshots. You can find everything in the description. And yes, if you are looking into scaling your agency and signing more clients and making more money, so I have everything from cold calling and questionnaires to sign the clients and client portal, all the CSS codes to make your website look classy so that you can charge a higher price. And then you have a high converting SaaS website from start to finish, everything you want to run your own web design agency business. Link is in the description. So this is how I made the 5,000 last month. So the first client which came as a referral was a £500 website, which was a beauty spa. And the second client was a coffee shop when I actually went into the business and pitched my service, which was another £500. Yes, this is like a cheaper clients because in the place I live in called Bournemouth, it's really like every business is dying. I've seen all the businesses closing down left and right. So yeah, I have a big announcement in the end, along with all these things happening around me. So stick until the end. The third website is for a restaurant for another £500. So the client who asked me to do the social media is the coffee shop client. So 500, 500, 500, 500. It's 2,000. And I signed this another client on networking event. He saw my website where I sell my templates. So he was thinking about doing the same thing for his business. He was thinking about selling construction templates and PowerPoint presentation templates. When I showed him my website, along with all the things I do to push organic reach and all the stats, all the sale I made with this website. So after showing everything, he was trusting me enough to sign me the next day, and I was explaining him everything the day before. And yes, I think if I asked for like 3,000, he probably would have said yes, because when I said 2,500, he didn't even hesitate. He said, okay, let's go ahead. And I sent the contract, I think in few minutes, because again, I had a client portal which you can handle everything within. So yeah, even if I had like multiple clients at the same time, I can handle it with ease with my portal. Yes, I'm not trying to sell everything, but this is the truth. Yes, another small thing I have to explain to you is like there will be lots of opportunities passing you left and right, and only if you are vigilant enough to see the opportunities on all the things you're doing will be nice. Like there's a thing called a red car effect. if you are going with your life not thinking about anything, probably you wouldn't be noticing all the red cars going by. But when you think about only focusing on red cars, you'll be seeing lots and lots of red cars going in your way. It may feel like there is a matrix glitch, but the thing is, if your brain is looking for something, it only focuses on that thing, and you will see that thing more often in your life. And this is the same with online business. If you are thinking about opportunities all the time, and you can even make opportunities even without the opportunities showing it yourself. For example, the coffee shop I signed, which is like £1,000 deal, they were doing some construction with the shades, and I don't know what they were building. The next day when they're done, usually I go to the gym on that way and go shopping that way. The next day it was done. There was no customers inside. There was just the business owners and all the friends. I just went inside and I was asking for the service. Let alone, yes, I signed them. And I was in a local networking event. I was talking to all kinds of interesting people, and I came across two guys who one of them were doing social media marketing. So I was having a conversation with them, and I was thinking about going away from social media because it's a headache. You spend too much time, and if the client is not happy, you have to go back again and deal with the clients. And if the reach is not high, it's a headache. I don't want to deal with this. So what I made a partnership with the social media people, so that I will push all the social media which is coming in my way to them, and if they are having any website reach outs, they will refer them back to me. So I had a partnership with them, and I met another guy who was talking about his business. I was sharing my business, and I was showing my websites and stuff, and he was really happy that I was having a website he wanted for his business, and I signed him. So yes, this is all the different way I signed my clients for last month for 5,000. I think I made a bit over 5,000. I sold some templates and snapshots within my website to you guys, and thank you so much for buying it. I didn't know that people are actually buying it, and I guess they're happy with what they bought, and I'm really happy that this happened. But there is a small issue. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, my location where I'm living in the UK, called a place called Bournemouth, is dying, and all the businesses closing down, and people are generally not able to spend. Even if they want to, they're not able to spend money on running ads, making social media their priority, and I can't really ask for more money for the service I'm providing, and at the same time I can't go below 500. So yes, from tomorrow or from next week, I'm gonna go all in on cold calling. I'm gonna call 50 to 100 businesses. I've picked a niche, I've picked my service, and I've created my own cold calling scripts. Everything is fine, but starting is really hard. I'm procrastinating too bad to start calling people. So yes, what I thought is most of the people watching this video are going through the same thing. I know this for a fact because I'm getting lots of messages from my old cold calling videos where I got rid of all my fears and started calling people. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Yes, the first day will be terrible because it's been a while since I started doing cold calling, and I think we have to stick together and do it as a group of people trying to achieve more. And if we made it as a game rather than struggling to get clients, it will be pretty easier, and we can trick our mind into doing this in a flow. So yes, I made 5,000 last month. I'm not gonna talk too much about this, and I know for a fact that it will drop again. And if I'm only relying on referrals and word of mouth and all the businesses in my local location, it's stressful. So I'm going all in on cold calling, and I hope you join me in my journey to hit the 10K. Not just me, and I want you to do the same. So get your 30-day free trial of Go High Level. Link is in the description, and if you did that, you will get access to our private community where we will help each other to reach the 10K. And if you're doing less than 5K, I can help you get up to 5K, and we will push each other every single day by doing cold calling, all the outreach, delivering services as quick as possible. And now it's time to make more money. And I hope you guys join our community, and I will see you guys in the next video.